Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Donna Brookwood, and in today's video I would like to share what energy healing is and how you can benefit from it. Years ago, my sensei told me, energy moves on the path of intention. This is the key to holding space for the recipient who is receiving an energy healing, along with the individual's intent for being open to receiving. Establishing intent begins with the initial intake when a client shares what they want to achieve in the session. What is your inspired result for the healing? This could be a physical, emotional, or spiritual aspect. Maybe the recipient would like to release old, restrictive, negative energy, old patterns they don't resonate with any longer. Maybe they want support in healing emotional or physical wounds. Other examples on the opposite side of this spectrum would be to receive energy to help empower an individual, to raise the resonance of a person, to increase and benefit confidence, life purpose, the ability to focus clearly on a project, and enhancing overall upliftment and support in any area of life. Creating an intention presets the session to allow for the desired result. And because energy moves in and through all things, healing at a distance is just as effective as being in physical presence with someone. The practitioner resonates this energy and frequency, seeing the empowered result, while the client or a recipient receives and entrains their energy to match the higher potential and vibration. If you recall your 7th grade earth science class, you may have learned that everything is energy. When you expand your perspective beyond energy and motion, you begin to understand that everything holds vibration and resonance. Every leaf, person, animal, tree emits concentric waves of energy. The universe emanates this energy in the electromagnetic quantum field. An individual, a plant, animal can be balanced through the subtle yet profound movement and influence of this energy, creating freely flowing movement where once may have been restricted. The healer or conduit of this energy is holding the resonance of higher states of vibration. With the focus on a healed result or improved state, the recipient by assimilation has the ability to raise their vibration to this matched state, resulting in improvement of one's energy field and emotional and physical states of well-being. The healer may use various modalities in which supports these results. This may include hands-on healing, sound vibration, the ability to journey for insight, to retrieve information, to receive a message, or maybe what is needed. The use of crystals, and the list goes on and on. Many of you may have heard the modality called Reiki, but this is but one of many energy healing modalities. When thinking of how we can maintain overall health, the subtle energy body should be brought into our daily awareness, just like physical fitness, proper body mechanics, posture, clean eating, etc. Spiritual hygiene is a beneficial practice for clearing unwanted energy we may have experienced throughout the day-to-day. Just as we practice physical cleanliness, we can be aware to upkeep our energy fields. Easily and conveniently enough, since most of us shower often, hopefully, water happens to be an effective cleanser for the energy field. We are mindful to clean certain areas of our body, so we can bring that same intent to clearing the energy field for self-maintenance. Bringing gratitude to the water and imagining it cascade around a force field around your body. You can even visualize white light surrounding you a few inches above your body, like a cocoon in your auric field. Everyone has the ability to heal themselves or another. It's just that some may or may not be aware or inclined to use these gifts. The greatest and highest vibration is universal divine love. When we can hold this vibration as a state of being, we can create powerful ripples individually and collectively. When we need a tune-up, guidance, or assistance, an energy session with an experienced practitioner is recommended because they are knowledgeable and trained on how to cultivate this energy within and around them to be a bridge in guiding individuals to an improved state. The giver and receiver may experience a heightened sense of awareness through touch, sensation, sounds, an intuitive knowing, and visual images, all pieces of an intricate puzzle of bringing the harmony back into the body through the subtle suggestions of this dynamic influence. Some people may experience different results, such as feelings of ease and calm. Some may feel active and energized, empowered, fortified and protected, grounded and secure. Some may feel the desire to continue working on self-improvement and to take inspired action to move forward in their lives. Some may feel they just want to rest and receive the energies as if they have taken a restorative and cleansing bath. As a licensed massage therapist and healer, for myself, one of the most profound experiences I have personally found in almost 20 years in the field was working with my energy body through cranial sacral work. As results may differ for each person, one session freed me of 7 years of back pain due to an injury. Not to mention the ongoing personal self-discovery work that I do to enhance my growth and spiritual development, to consistently upgrade my field, to continue to learn, to strengthen and mature my emotional body and increase my spiritual awareness, allowing me to flow more at ease with life. Working on this plane draws more consciousness to ourselves and the planet. It is truly transformational. Energy healing is a subtle yet very powerful modality for your mind, body, and spirit. Energy is what moves through the fabric of existence and connects us all like ripples in a pond. So with that, may we all benefit from the positive influence we radiate out into the world. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching and liking this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe and notification button. My best wishes to you. Bye-bye for now.